Hello YouTube, welcome back sa Pinoy channel ng mga Gampla Builders. Metal Spy Potpot here, and today we're taking a short unboxing of probably another famous robot sa Philippines. So this is the SMP Shokugan Modeling Project Tosho Daimos or Daimos na mas kilala sa Pilipinas. So but before that, let me thank you, my subscribers, for supporting this channel. So without further ado, systems all green, transfer go! So kung batang 90s ka, malamang napanood mo din to sa IBC Channel 13. Then nagkaroon din sila ata ng show sa 7, parang rerun nito. So spoiler alert, kung hindi mo pa siya napanood, so basically the story is a super robot na si Deimos. Then there's dalawang parang civilization, yung Brahmin, then the Earthlings. Then yung si Erica at si Richard, which is hindi naman si Richard, is they fall in love during dun sa kanilang meet-up. So naghahanap yung Brahmin ng bago nilang lilipatan. Then yung head ng Brahmin was poison ng mga earthling daw, which is hindi naman nila ginawa. Then si Erica naman ay inakasuhan na pinatay ang tatay ni Richard, which is not true. But aside from that, looking at the front of the box, so this one is looking nice. And yung track mode niya, which is the transfer, very nicely detailed. So maganda siguro pag nilagyan ng panel itong mga groups na to. And this is a Deimos, and this is the iconic pose pag fully transformed na siya. And I think you can swap the faceplate. So looks like this one is angry and this one is the neutral. So ito yung top box art niya. Deimos kick, probably. And the side, looking really nice. So Deimos. Ang shiny itong Deimos na to, which is nice. And ito yung other side ng box. And of course, dun sa backside niya, so again, yung transfer truck, pwede mong i-recreate yung scene na papasok yung kotse ni Richard na mukhang telepono. And again, meron siyang dalawang faceplate, so the neutral at saka yung angry. And yung preserve glass niya dito, mukhang kaya mong iikot siya na front. And yung iconic pose niya, doon sa parang death blow niya. So since yung pilot na si Richard ay marunong magkarate, so na-incorporate niya yon sa robot na si Deimos. So again, you have the daggers na galing dito sa may chest niya and the Deimos kick. So let's try to unbox this. So kinda excited dito sa model kit na ito. So same lang din to ni Voltes 5. And pati yung packaging niya almost the same. And this is it. So moving on, ang bait naman ni Bandai to give us a bubble gum na hindi ko alam kung anong flavor. We don't need this. And ito yung isang set ng kanyang parts. So yung daggers niya is already assembled. So isang panel lining na lang. And you have the eyes here. So hindi mo na kailangan ng stickers. And this is it. Ito yung faceplate niya, which is the angry one at saka yung neutral. And yung white parts naman nito ay magko-cover dun sa truck itself. So this is nice at may number na rin siya. At merong small runner para dito. Ito naman ay para sa legs. Yung kanyang chef blades or magneto blades. Normally yun ang tawag niya dun pero hindi ko talaga alam. And some white parts. More white parts. And the rest of the white. For the rest of the parts, ito naman yung black parts niya. So, nandito yung kanyang mga set of fist. Kasama na yung sa may katawan. And for the rest of the red. Para sa katawan to. Doon sa double blizzard, I believe. Unfortunately, hindi lahat ng plastic ay molded sa color na kailangan niya. So you have this set of stickers, especially dito sa red one, and some of the gray parts, plus this white. And Bandai give us 2 manual. So, nasa isang sheet lang siya for everything. So, itong nakikita nyo, the first one is the construction itself of Dymos in black and white. And the second manual should be the transformation from the track out mode transfer to Dymos itself. Still in black and white. That should do it para sa ating short unboxing ng Posho Dymos SMP Shokugan Modeling Project. So be sure to tune in next week para makita mo naman ang full review ni Dymos. So again, welcome to my YouTube channel, Metals by Potpot here. Take care everyone and I'll see you next time. For now, Dymos is aloha. Bye-bye.